Hello, good day. So for this video, we're gonna talk about reprimand letters under employee menu. So sa previous video, nakita natin na sa my account and then my reprimand, makikita ng empleyado ang kanyang mga reprimands. So dito naman sa employee, reprimand letters. So dito gagawa ang in charge ng reprimand para sa isang empleyado. So to create a reprimand, just click create reprimand and then fill up the entries, the title, kung ano title. Say 3 days consecutive late. So kailan is sinerve ito? Let's say ngayon, dayon ang employee. So click mo lang tong search icon and then hanapin mo yung employee. Pwede mo din i-search. Let's say, Mamang. So double click mo lang. So double click on the selected employee to import. Okay? So, automatic kukuha ng email din. And then, next is the policy. So, sa isang kumpanya, meron tayong mga policies. So, for this one, we have here Article 1, late. So, possible action. So, ano, final action yan and effective. Ano sa effective? So, every policy has its own actions. So, to create a policy, so, it will be in our next video called company policies. So, select lang tayo ng policy. So, pareho lang din ng employee. So, double click on policy to import. Then, action taken, 1 day suspension, 2 day suspended. So, pwede ka rin mag-create ng isang action taken. So, lagay mo lang dito, 5 day suspension. And then, click save. And automatic na yon na available sa ating dropdown. So, same thing as the memo. Kung wala dito, pwede ka mag-add ng memo type. So, another memo type. So, final action. So, pwede ka ding gumawa ng bagong final action kung wala siya sa dropdown. And then note. Yes, explain why. Why? Okay. Then, if na-fill up na lahat, pwede mo nang i-save. Or kung meron kang attachment, so you can upload here. So, select mo lang yung mga files sa ito. And then, upload mo lang. Then, once uploaded, pwede mo na ito siyang save. So, if you want to edit a reprimand, just click on show details. So, kung mayroon ding reply si empleyado dyan, makikita mo din yung employer reply niya. Katulad ito. Okay, so that's all for reprimand letters. Thank you.